Hey guys, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. So in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to adjust the size of the text on MS Word. So first if you want to open MS Word, for opening it, I'm just going to create a new page. And then here, I'm just going to type the thing I wanted. And here you can see the normal size of this text. So for increasing the size, here on the top, you can see here menu options, and here as an option, you can see here home, click on that. And from here you can just see a number here, click on that. This is the font size that you had been now selected, and from here you can just select what the size that you wanted, and then you type. You can see that you had been adjust the font size on MS Word. So that's it for this quick tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and the subscribe button for more such quick and very interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.